Hello there, I'm Lynn with Oils with Lynn, and I love uplifting families with daily natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. Today, we're talking about an important topic. It's essential oils and women's mental health. Life can feel overwhelming. Many of us carry experiences, deal with constant stress, or find ourselves coping with anxiety, worry, or even panic. And sometimes it feels like our body is stuck in that fight or flight mode. This is where I've seen essential oils make such a big difference. One of those oils is Bergamot essential oil. Just by breathing in the aroma, it can calm the nervous system, lower cholesterol, slow down a racing pulse, and ease rapid, shallow breathing. It's an incredible gift from nature, and it's all backed by science. Bergamot is a beautiful citrus oil that's cold pressed from the rind and sourced from Italy. It's well known for its uplifting, calming properties, and it's one of the most researched oils for emotional health. Studies show that it can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and support those dealing with symptoms of PTSD. What I love about Bergamot is how versatile it is. Here are some of its top uses. It can help with self-worth and emotional balance, going from feeling inadequate to feeling worthy again. Apply it over the heart or on the gut, or you can diffuse it in your living space. For those struggling with addictions or needing dopamine support, Bergamot is a powerful ally. Try applying it to the back of your neck or the bottoms of your feet, and you can diffuse it daily. You can even take it internally in a veggie capsule to support emotional health from the inside out. Bergamot can also support the body with coughs and sore throats. Apply it to your chest or throat area. You can even gargle it in water, or again, you can take it in a capsule. If you struggle with sleep, this citrus oil can be a wonderful helper. I love pairing bergamot with lavender or adaptive. It not only helps you fall asleep, but it can help you stay asleep longer. And anytime you're feeling stress or agitation, bergamot can be used aromatically or topically to restore balance and calm. One research study about bergamot involved first responders, firefighters, medical staff, and military men and women who were struggling with PTSD. Over just 2 weeks, they used bergamot essential oil, and the results were incredible. They reported feeling calmer, sleeping better, less anxious, more positive, and more focused. Some even shared that it helped them avoid the sense of withdrawal and isolation that often comes with trauma. That's powerful. If you'd like to look deeper into this study, I've shared the link to the study below in the description. As wives, moms, daughters, and women, we deserve tools that are gentle, natural, and safe for our families. And bergamot is one of the oils that supports both emotional and physical support. You deserve some zen in your life. So I have a free gift for you. It's a guide to less stress. 5 effective ways to calm your mind and your nerves. It's filled with simple, practical tips you can start using right away to bring more peace and balance into your daily life. And you can find this link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because more families need simple, natural solutions that uplift the mind, heart, and body every single day. Till next time.